It looks like such a great day to play outside. Oh, it's just a little windy. I think I might play on the trampoline today. It's getting windy. Oh my God! Holy crap, look at the sky! It's starting to rain. I'm getting so scared. Whoa! Oh my God, it's raining! I gotta get inside! The sirens, they're still going off. It's windy. Oh, it's my phone. Hello? What up? No. Thanks for telling me that. See ya. Bye. I can play outside again. The wind is picking up speed. Well, I'm gonna go out in the front yard. There actually is a tornado.